Collecting your own seed is one of the most satisfying aspects of growing flowers. It's great to have seeds to share with friends or neighbors and to keep some of your favorite varieties to sow next year. Sweet peas, Lathyrus or Doratus, are ideal for collecting seed from. As annual plants, they produce seeds as part of their life cycle. If you want to have sweet pea seeds, the flowers must remain on the plant until they form a seed pod, and the seed can be collected only when the seed pods on the plants have a brown color. You can begin saving seeds from your sweet peas after the seed pods turn brown and brittle. If you harvest the sweet pea seed pods before they are completely mature, they won't germinate. But if you wait too long, the seed pods will break open and drop their seeds to the ground. When the seed pod is fully ripe, the outer case will be light brown and dry, and you will be able to hear the seeds rattling inside when shaken. This is the best time to collect the pods. Simply cut the seed pods off the plant as they become ripe and store in labeled paper bags. It's very important to allow the sweet pea seed pods to dry out, as storing wet seeds will harbor bacteria, which isn't a good start for next year's plants. Not only that, it can encourage mold and also make the seeds start to germinate, and even you can lose all your seeds. Once the sweet pea seed pods have dried out, simply open the pod on its longest width to see the sweet pea seeds inside. Sweet pea seeds are fairly large in size, which means there may only be 3 to 7 inside depending on the sweet pea variety you have grown. You can store the seeds in an ordinary paper mailing envelope. Place the seeds and envelope into an airtight container and place the container into a cool, dark, and dry place. Under these conditions, pea seeds will live 3 to 4 years. Happy gardening!